Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbarist, and we've reached the last video, Extroduction and Finalization. So what we're going to do is we do a little bit of cleanup, we're going to take some snapshots, and then you'll be done. So let's open up Terminal from the taskbar on both DC01 and 02. I'm going to do a little bit of a cleanup and then replication. So copy here, paste, good. Paste there. Let's do a DC diag /Q just to see if there's anything. Okay, looks good there. Looks good there. I'm going to type exit. There we go. Now, starting from the bottom down here, I'm going to right click, power, and shut down guest. Okay. We'll say do not show this message again. Do the same thing for all of them. Shut down guest. There we go. Okay. And almost done with all of them. Okay, there we go. I'm going to copy this name, which is initial setup snapshot. Okay, I'm going to right click on each of these, go to snapshot, take snapshot. I'm going to name it initial setup. Same thing for, oh, that's okay. We can go to manage, software manager, click on it. We can change its name, click close. There we go. Snapshot. There we go. Perfect. Snapshot. And one last one. There we go. And now we're going to power them on in this order, GW01, so that we have our gateway up and running. We'll start up DC02, then DC01. And once that's at the logon screen, we'll power up the rest of them. Okay. So GW01, power, startup guest, or power on. I'll come back when that's at the logon screen. Okay. And GW01 is up. Our network icon is solid. Let's go to DC02 and we can power on this virtual machine. And we'll come back when that's at the logon screen. Okay, and DC02 is up. Network icon is solid. Let's power on DC01 and we'll come back when that's at the logon screen. And there we go. Now we can power on the rest of them just fine. There we go. What we're going to do is wait until all of those are at their login screens and come back. Okay, we're good to go. PC02, 01, TS01, CM01, and CA01. So now what we're going to do is on our host, we're going to click right click on Start, Run, and timeout T120 for 120 seconds. And we'll come back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. So let's log into all of our servers and our clients. Oh, there we go. It's been a long day. There we go. But at least I got all 35 of these videos uploaded for you guys. And I'm glad. The introduction counts as a video too, so plus these 34. All right. log in. Here's our clients. And our second client. There we go. Let's go to DC01, 2, GW, CA, CM, TS, PC, and PC. Go to CM01. Let's open up our configuration manager from the taskbar. Okay. Make sure everything is good to go. Okay. And we're happy-go-lucky. All right. Looking good. Component status, all green. Site status, all green. We are good. Okay. So, lab setup's complete. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can email me at brotherbarbaris@gmail.com or visit my LinkedIn, Daniel Christopher Barris. And you guys have a great night and hope this helps you.